We're here. She's here. It's Solana Ramirez-Garcia. Time for lightning round.
Okay.
Start the clock. Here we go. Solana, what are you doing here at Northern Sky?
I'm doing a play.
What's your character?
Frankie.
In?
And Sunflower.
Frankie's a photographer.
Oh.
How many pictures do you take during a performance?
10 to 50.
10 to 50? OMG. Okay, favorite color?
Yellow.
Favorite candy?
Reese's Pieces.
Favorite holiday?
Halloween.
Where do you live when you're not here?
In Atlanta.
And describe Sunflowered in 3 words.
Sisterhood. Family. Joy.
If you were a vegetable, what would you be?
A tomato.
Ooh, lightning round!